As a dog mom to two very adventurous and very cuddly dogs, we are really excited about this because our dogs love to go out and play and then come and run in and jump on the couch or jump on the bed. And this is going to be really helpful because it has a waterproof bottom, but it is still super soft and cozy. So let's go ahead and open it up together. Look how soft this is. Oh my gosh. They are gonna be so excited when I put this down. It really feels like a true fur, and it's a faux fur obviously, but they won't know that. That's gonna be really cozy and exciting for them. And then, yeah, look at this. This is a plasticky, has these little rubberized paw prints on there, so it's not gonna slide around on your bed, your couch, wherever you end up putting it. And that means it's gonna be waterproof. So if anything happens, like if they're wet or there's an accident, it's not gonna leak through to your own couch or bed. So let's go try this out with them and see how they like it. Right now we're using this big old fleece blanket, which definitely is not my favorite aesthetic. I think this new one is gonna be so much better. So let's get this on and see how we like it, what they think. All right, dogs, come here. Come. Come here. What do you think? She's super curious about it, but seems to really like the fuzz and the fluff. So I'd say this one is definitely dog approved. Go ahead and check this one out if you're also a dog mom like me and you need something that works for indoors, outdoors, car, beds, whatever it happens to be, to keep your dog and your spaces clean and safe.